Do you use Notion to organize your life or work? If yes, what if I told you that people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars just by selling Notion templates online? No coding, no shipping, no inventory, just your creativity and strategy. Here's how you can start. First, think of a niche, like a student planner, habit tracker, budget sheet, or even a content calendar for YouTubers. The more specific, the better. Next, go to Notion and build a clean, useful template. Keep it simple, beautiful, and easy to duplicate. You don't need design skills, just function and clarity. Then, create a product mockup using Canva. Use screenshots of your template on a laptop or phone background. This makes it look premium and ready to sell. Now comes selling. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip allow you to list digital products, and they handle the delivery for you. You can even build a mini landing page on Card and start selling through your social media or blog. The best part? Create once and sell forever. No customer calls, no restocking, no shipping issues, just pure digital income 24/7. So if you're looking for a realistic, low-cost side hustle that actually works in 2025, try creating and selling Notion templates. Because in today's world, value doesn't always mean physical things. Sometimes it's a well-designed page that makes someone's life easier. Subscribe to The Inner Light for smart, silent hustle strategies that actually work.